Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. It's Wanda and I am in the potting shed. Yes, our mini greenhouse with Patty. She is my daughter-in-law and she just got a new GreenStalk. I sent her one last week, right?
It was, yeah.
So she's having GreenStalk lessons and we're going to show you what I put in mine, but what are you putting in yours?
I think we got some carrots, the chives, I think like
Garlic chives?
Onions, a little bit of rosemary. I think so.
Bush beans.
And bush beans too.
Yeah. So she's going to do a variety. She's going to see if she can grow in a GreenStalk. Let me show you what she just helped me do with my GreenStalk. All right, this is the leaf GreenStalk. You can see this is the regular one over here with strawberries in it. But the leaf GreenStalk is a mini pocket thing. And we just put bush beans in this one. All of them from the bottom up to the top tiers is SOCIALIZE. The top two tiers are jade beans. So, and I've got one lonely strawberry that was already in there. So we did a lesson on how to put a GreenStalk together, how to do the dirt, how to put everything in there, how to water. So Patty would know what to do with her GreenStalk. Now my strawberries have been in this one for a while. And we've been harvesting strawberries. And I stuck something that Danny cut off of one of these citrus trees over here. And it seems to be leafing out. But see, I have strawberries and the wind is blowing like crazy out here. And then I have thyme in the bottom. And we have some oregano. No, not oregano. We have Malabar spinach coming out. So, you think you can do a GreenStalk?
I can try. Like, my thumbs may or may not be green. This is the first time I'm going to do it. I'm going to attempt to do it, but going to try at least.
And she's got support.
Yeah.
If she needs something, she says, hey, Nana, what do I need?
Exactly.
So, thank you for coming by, helping with the GreenStalk. We've got it watered. We've got everything going. And guys, we'll talk to you later. We got more to do.